How to use Google Meet to live stream. We're all familiar with video conferencing apps these days. As Zoom calls and Google Meet sessions have become the new normal for conducting business and staying in touch with friends and family. As powerful tools for connection, apps and services like Google Meet can bring intimate groups closer together. Or they can be used to spread a message with a broader audience. We'll show you how you can use Google Meet to live stream your next virtual event so that more can join in on the fun. Why might you want to live stream a Google Meet session? Perhaps you want to share orientation or training materials and information with prospective employees or students. Maybe you want to host a virtual event or conference. Whatever your reason, Google has built the functionality into Meet to allow for live streaming. So you might as well learn how to use it. As we've previously covered, Google Meet has traditionally only been available to paying G Suite customers, including G Suite Enterprise, G Suite Enterprise for Education, and G Suite Enterprise Essential users. Most of Google Meet's features are included with paid G Suite plans, though some others such as live streaming are generally considered more premium or advanced add-on features. Currently, all G Suite customers can take advantage of live streaming through at least September 30, 2020. Wider availability after that date is still yet to be determined at this time. Even though live streaming is currently free for all paying Google Meet users, the administrator of your G Suite account must first allow live streaming and then grant select users the necessary permissions to enable this feature. Speak with your organization's G Suite administrator for more information on getting set up. Once you can do so, here is how to start a Google Meet live stream. Share the meeting information with whomever you wish to participate via email, text, social media, etc. When you see the video start, click on the three-dot menu in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Start your livestream when ready by clicking on the three-dot menu in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Note that viewers with whom you've shared the live stream information are not able to interact with those presenting or others who may also be viewing the live-streamed Meet session. Live streams can be recorded for future reference and distribution to others who were not able to attend the scheduled meeting. Most modern browsers currently support Google Meet live streaming, including, of course, Chrome, as well as Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and Apple Safari. Once it's time for the event to start, click on the event and follow the instructions to begin live streaming. I often work from my trusty Chromebook and rely on it for weekly Google Meet sessions. If you're looking for the best bang for your buck, check out our latest top Chromebook pick, Lenovo Chromebook Flex 5. This new Chromebook from Lenovo has all the features you'd want from a more expensive device at a more palatable price point. Plus, it looks fantastic too. The Creative Outlier Air have excellent battery life and sound at a great price. Just make sure they fit in your ear. Blue is well known for its excellent microphones, and this one has a lot going for it. Adjustable legs, classic styling, affordable pricing, and plug-and-play operation make it a great first choice. This HD webcam conveniently clips onto your computer or monitor, but can also stand on its own. The best part about it is that it's plug-and-play, no drivers to install. The Google Assistant is the most useful smart voice assistant for getting your questions answered and keeping track of your digital life. But it's also great at helping you control your smart home devices and services. If you've been having trouble with Wi-Fi on your streaming stick, an Ethernet adapter may be a good investment. A wired connection avoids any signal interference or competition for bandwidth and gives your cast or stream priority access to data. Some adapters simply do just that, while others take advantage of the direct access to your Chromecast or Fire TV stick to add other useful. One of our favorite features of Ring video doorbells is the ability to customize their outward appearance. Here are some of the best faceplates, covers, and skins to show off your Ring Video Doorbell 3 or 3 Plus. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.